Over 5 months in this house, I'll be begging you to tell me who got you pregnant. You don't want to say it. Today, either you tell me who got you pregnant or leave my house for me. We are going to meet your father, so your father will help me and say this. I will not be feeding you. I'm feeding this child you are having. Let's go. Come on outside here. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's go. Papa Akwa, you and this girl, you want to climb in this house. Abi, please, today is the last day. Ask her who got her pregnant, so that we'll settle this in a once and for all. We'll take her to the person that got her pregnant, and the person will marry her, or she will leave my house. So I will not be feeding her and feeding this baby in her womb. Please answer me.
Mama Akwa, as you can see, I'm very busy.
No, you are not busy.
I'm very busy.
Leave this thing, please. Let's solve this problem once and for all.
See,
You are running away from the responsibility.
This is what is feeding us. If Akwa like, make she go take pregnancies. You know, consign me.
It concerns you.
What I know is that nobody will carry any child enter this house. As far as I'm concerned, if she born, she go carry and go meet person wey become belle.
She must tell us who got her pregnant today.
Now your daughter.
Start saying, start talking.
Now your daughter. You always stay with your daughter. Go and ask her because you are the one staying with her. My own is to provide everything where you people are eating.
Because she got pregnant now, I'm the one that.
You are the one.
Start talking. Who got you pregnant? Not sorry. Start saying it. Start saying it.
I don't want to know.
Start talking. If I wanted to give her
100 naira to win 17 million.
Lekaka. You dey smoke Igbo.
Nice. I'm not surprised.
Baby, what got you get? When they beat mama for you,
Monty West, Lara Babeli Hotel.
Boogie Oga Boogie Day, nigga.
Need I think I
But I swear,
you're a failure.
The manhood, the sukrutum, is not working. No performance, no demonstration.
What's
going on here?
Who are you pointing at? Papa, you point where? Who? Onyenka. Onye? This person. This person. Hey! Yeah, you look for all the girls in this city to get pregnant. You're my younger sister. You have mind though. It's only a lazy man that comes out on a hot afternoon to smoke. You are very lazy. Lazy thing, no. See what you carry for her. I don't blame you. No, you she's the one that brought my legs out. If not, why would I be talking to a loafer like you? Class in where or nothing. Look at you.
Ngala want you to look me now.
God have mercy upon
him.
All like this.
If not this one now, I don't get any problem. But I wonder what he's doing with these smokers here.
No be this kind thing me the chop now. If I the chop flesh well.
Show me who give you. Which one are you pointing? You are pointing this one, pointing the other one. Which one I will? This one? You are hiding your face. Hey, Mr. Job! Hey, are you? I don't know that you go to what is scary for me? Now you impregnate my daughter. No